Navigating the ever-evolving interface of Instagram can sometimes feel like trying to find your way through a bustling city without a map. One question that frequently arises among users is how to see their most recent followers. While Instagram doesn't offer a straightforward list of your newest followers in chronological order, there are a few strategies you can employ to get a sense of who has recently decided to join your digital journey. First, you can manually check your followers list. Head over to your profile, tap on the number of followers you have, and you'll be presented with a list. While this list isn't sorted by the most recent additions, you can often spot new followers if you keep track regularly. This method requires a bit of diligence and perhaps a good memory or note-taking to remember who was already there. Another approach is to use Instagram notifications. When someone new follows you, Instagram typically sends a notification. Keeping an eye on these alerts can help you identify your latest followers. However, if you're someone who receives a lot of notifications, this method might feel overwhelming and less effective. For those who manage a business or creator account, Instagram Insights can provide more detailed analytics. While it won't show individual followers, it can give you an overview of your follower growth over time, offering a broader picture of your audience dynamics. Lastly, third-party apps claim to track recent followers, but proceed with caution. Many of these apps require access to your account, which can pose security risks and potentially violate Instagram's terms of service. In the end, while there isn't a perfect solution, combining these methods can help you piece together a clearer picture of who your most recent followers are, allowing you to engage more meaningfully with your growing community.